I'm back at the Moogseum, and it's extraordinary. They've extended the gift area, but most important is the main area with this wonderful manager here. And they have a new area in back.
Only $11.75 per person.
It's worth it. It's the history of synthesizers. It's Bob's stuff. One of the things that's most exciting is how big this place is. When you walk up the door, it's kind of a smaller storefront,
but it goes a good distance back.
It has lots of content, lots of hands-on things for experiencing stuff and hearing different sounds, history, and of course another thing is I picked up is my membership. Make sure you get yours as well. You can get that online. I'll put the links below. This is such an exciting thing to be back here. They always have something new to look at, new merch, new information. Make sure this is one of your destinations when you come to Asheville. Downtown Asheville and the Moogseum are open and the town looks terrific. Highly recommend it. You can see parking on the street. Check it out. Just had a great visit at the Moogseum. If you're anywhere near Asheville, make sure to come. Check it out. I'll put the links below and remember to click subscribe and the bell